In an effort to try and keep the number of coronavirus cases from spiking, Seminole County leaders announced Friday people who test positive must stay home. Well, that order caused some confusion for one local woman who says she's recovered and was medically cleared. News 6's Lauren Corrin spoke with her after she finally got answers from her leaders.
We shouldn't have to do this, but we do. Remain in their homes until medically cleared of COVID-19 by a medical doctor or the Florida Department of Health.
Seminole County leaders issuing an executive order on Friday for people with COVID-19 to stay home or possibly face a fine. But that call to be medically cleared never came for 22-year-old Gabriella Bavona. She tested positive for COVID-19 on March 23rd, a week after she and her boyfriend returned from London.
Obviously started off with the fever and some congestion. Mostly I was dealing with the fatigue and body aches.
Bavona says she self-quarantined for weeks and luckily recovered from what she called was a mild case of COVID-19, but was confused if she could leave her home or not.
That was kind of scary because though I hadn't left my home yet, I was 17 days past when my quarantine started and my symptoms were gone, but I didn't have that official sign off.
The UCF grad student says right after learning she tested positive for the virus, the Florida Department of Health and Seminole County Emergency Health Services called her to explain they'd be tracking her progress.
I was told that I would be receiving daily phone calls from the Department of Health. I never received any phone calls from anybody.
Bavona says she called hotlines for Seminole County and the local Department of Health, along with sending emails and finally contacting News 6 for help.
The Department of Health contacted me that Friday evening saying, okay, you have met the guidelines that we presented you originally. You're good. It's unfortunate that those check-ins aren't happening the way they're saying they are. But I understand, given the current circumstances, things are falling through the cracks. Everyone's spread thin. I understand that.